Hello, in today's tutorial I will show you quickly how to build a website on GoDaddy. So let's get started. When you are on GoDaddy, you will go to your products and you can see all your domains. You can set up a free website from scratch, or if you have a domain, you can do it from your domain. I will show you later why. Okay, here is my domain. I will click setup and I will go to create a website. When you click create a website, it brings you to choose a category. You can type your own category or choose some categories that are here. I will choose IT service because it's my category. Go next. And what should we call the website? We will call it like my channel, DG Tutorials, and we'll go next. Okay, it asks us some questions, and you put your desired answers that you want. I will to choose it. It hasn't. It's just an idea at the moment. I start coming full page, submit. So here we are. When we answered some few questions, I want to check the tour. Okay, I got it. We will have a pre-built website. And so guys, how it's gone? You can see here we have like the premium, but that is the way that we bought our domain. If we didn't buy our domain, it will show the same thing like we put the name, but it will be slash GoDaddy and etc. When we buy our own domain, we have the domain like this, the gtutorials.com, with any not anything behind it. So how we can do something? Okay, this is the start. We can change literally everything. We can click on the name and we can see we can make it a bit larger. We can make the font smaller. We can edit it. We can type everything that we want in the name. We can choose everything that we want. If we want to make another take another picture, we can click here update, and when we click that, we have everything here. We can fill it, we can fit it, we can insert, we can blur, we can change images, we can edit it. If you change click change image, you can add an image from your PC or take a stock media image and put it there. Of course, you can use social media to do it exactly. So you can click add a picture and it will open your tabs and you can put it in or just slide it in. It's that simple. That's how you manage your pictures on your website. Of course, you can do everything. You can click like this, professional technology assistance. You can click on that and you can change the text how you want it to be. If you want the text deleted, you can just delete it all the way. You can of course make everything here like the headlines. If you want, it's simpler for you. You can do paragraph, you can do social buttons, you can do logos, everything that you want for the text. Like this page, if you want to change something in this, you just click on it and you can of course delete it, add something new, and add another of them. You can change them, move before, that it's moved before or moved after. You can click like this and you can change the image, you can edit it, you can make it smaller, wider, everything that you need, and you can make an image description or add a link into it. We go much more down, we can add everything. You can add a section, you can add it, you can delete a section like this, and you can delete the section if you don't want to have it down there. You can duplicate it, or you can move it up, or you can move it down like you want it to be. Okay guys, this is briefly how you do this. And of course we can choose our themes. When we click on the theme, we can choose the font that we want to use for our website. It's now Muli. You can see all them up here, down here. You can choose your colors, how you want to be the color themes, and you can try anything, try a new look. You can go for this and you can try it. You just play with it and see what it does for you. You can just play. The next, you can go back to your websites, and you have here your home, your service, and your contact. When you click home, you will of course be here on the home page. When you click on services, you will be here. it will put you automatically here. Of course, you can add something new. You have here the home service, contact us. You can of course put everything new that you want. So I don't know, like about us page. Create page, and it puts a new about us page that you can fully edit from scratch. And you can add section. Here you can add sections like this one, or you can see some general sections like about, buttons, content, files and web context, and everything. I choose this about, and you can see like this future content with images. I will choose this, I will click edit, and it's added about us, and you can see all the pictures. You can of course take yourself or change them that are not the same like in the first place, and you can edit everything. You click here, you can make the name, you can change it here, you can change this, everything can be changed, and you can fully provide like this about us page. When you are good with everything, when you have your website started, when you have the look and the font and everything like you wanted it, you can preview it right here in the right corner. When you click preview, it will be open on a site like you open it on your internet browser. You can see all the site like the home, everything that was edited from you, the fonts, just everything that you need like it was made in the editor. And of course you can edit it again, you can publish it. Of course when you publish it you can edit it always, you can always add something or delete something like you wanted it. And this is for PC if you wanted to preview it on PC, and this is if you wanted to preview it on mobile. You click here on mobile, you have here a little smartphone, and you can see how it looks on a smartphone, everything about your site. Of course everything works, everything. If you click contact us, it will put you up to the contact page. And of course there will be other contacts that you put briefly before it. So guys, if you have some other questions on how to edit something, if it's too hard for you or need any other tutorial, please ask in the comments or see our channel. We have many tutorials for how to do something. I hope you enjoyed this briefly information and tutorial video how to edit and build your website. Quick step-by-step tutorial. I hope it helps, I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and a subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!